A juvenile was taken into custody yesterday by Washington police on Friday after officers recovered a handgun. According to a post from the Washington Police Department, around 5:30 p.m. on Friday, officers responded to reports of a juvenile with a gun in the 1700 block of West Walnut near Heaven's Kitchen. After receiving help from witnesses, the officers were able to track down the juvenile in the 1200 block of McCormick Avenue and recovered a .40 caliber handgun. The juvenile was taken into custody without incident.